Hello everyone, myself Sonam teacher. Today I am going to teach you for class 7th English, in that supplementary readers in English. From the same textbook we had completed previous 3 stories, means prose, and now we are going to learn about a fourth one story, that is the Cope and the Anthem. As you know, what is the Cope? Yes, the policeman is known as Cope, but actually in India we call as a policeman, but same person who is doing the same duty in the America is known as Cope. So this story is regarding the policeman and the one more person who is wanted to arrest himself. It is very excited, no? Yes, because no one wants to arrest himself or herself by the police. If by chance we did something wrong and we saw the police, that time we feel afraid. But the person is totally different. He wanted to arrest himself, and for getting arrest and to go to the prison, again and again he was just breaking the laws. But then to what happened? He was not caught by the policeman or the Cope, and due to that he was frustrated with himself. So why he wanted to arrest himself by the police, or why he wanted to go in the prison, and when he was not successful in his all those different types of ideas, then what he did? We are going to see this in this story about a person named Soapy. So he was wanted to arrest himself by the Cope. You have to open your supplementary readers textbook, page number 20, the Cope and the Anthem. Sophie is a homeless and jobless man. Winter is the fast approaching and Sophie must have a place to stay. Sophie comes to a decision at last. See, the person named Sophie was a homeless person. What is homeless? Who is not having the home or the shed to live. And he was also jobless. He was not having any job to earn something for his livelihood. And winter is fast approaching. What is fast approaching? Means coming soon, nearby. Means after some days the winter will start, and after starting the winter he will have to face so many problems. Yes, if you are not having the home, automatically you will face those all the problems, though it is summer season, winter season or the rainy season. But as we know that in winter there is too much cold. So Sophie was thinking, in winter what I will do to save myself from the cold weather. So he was started to find out the different ideas to get the shed and the food both in the winter season without spending something, without money, as he was homeless person and the jobless person. He was not having home and not the job too. So he was thinking the different idea. So which type of ideas and which decision he took? See, Sophie moved restlessly on his seat in the Madison Square. There are certain signs to show that winter is coming. Birds bring to fly south. People want new warm coats. And Sophie moved restlessly on his seat in the park. When you see these signs, you know that winter is near. See those signs of chirping of birds, birds are flying to the south, and people wanted to buy the warm coats, means it is a time of early winter. Yes, the pre-winter or early winter. After some days soon the winter will start. See, in our house also what mother is doing? She is just cleaning all the sweaters and coats or your hand gloves, socks. Before the winter she make it clean, and she kept it outside for yourself, to take care yourself. Means those all the woolen clothes save us from the cold. Same way, the people from the Sophie's city were busy to just purchase the different type of clothes like warm coats and all those for saving themselves from the cold. But Sophie was thinking he was restlessly sitting in the park on the stairs. Why he was sitting restlessly? Because he was not having the house and not having the money to purchase such type of coats which will save him from the cold. So he was thinking what I should do that I can save myself from this cold. A dead leaf fell at Sophie's feet. That was a special sign for him that winter was coming. It was time for all who lived in the Madison Square to prepare. Sophie's mind now realized that fact. The time had come. He had to find some way to take care of himself during the cold weather, and therefore he moved restlessly on his seat. So he was thinking rapidly, he was reminding himself that now the winter season will come, what I should do, and he decided that I will do this trick, or at this particular place I will stay to save myself from the cold. And what is that place? See next page number 21. As everyone was preparing for the winter, the Sophie also decided to prepare himself for the winter. Sophie's hopes for the winter were not very high, means he was not thinking too much high for himself. He was not thinking for sailing away on a ship. He was not thinking of southern seas or of the Bay of Naples. 3 months in the prison on Black Walls Island was what he wanted. 3 months of food every day and a bed every night. 3 months safe from the cold north winds and safe from the cops. This is what the Sophie wanted most in the world. See, as before the winter season, what we are thinking, that my parents will bring a new sweater for me, or new hand gloves for me, or the cap, something else different you are thinking for the winter season. But the Sophie was not thinking about all those things. He was thinking that I will just decide, or I will go at particular place where I should not pay for my food, I should not pay for my stay. Means if you are going any another place instead of your own home or relative's house, that time you have to pay for the food and for stay also. Suppose you went to the hotel, then you have to pay for both these things. So Sophie was not having money to pay for all these things. So he decided that I will stay in the Blackwells of Island in the prison. See, his dream is to stay for the whole winter in the prison. It is very different dream, or his wish to live there. But why he wanted to live there? Is it his very happy or exciting moment for him? No, it is not happy or exciting moment for him. It is the necessary of his that particular time. But actually he can change the situation, but he was not taking it positively. He might be, or he can do the work, and afterwards he can earn some money and he can stay at anywhere, and he can purchase the food. But instead of thinking by that way, he was thinking I should get everything by the free of cost, everything I want, without using a single money. So he decided to stay in the prison, that in prison he will get food every day and he will get a good sleep in the night, means in the shade where he will not feel cold, and also he will be safe from the cops. As he will be arrested or in the prison, there will be no any worry to get arrest from the police. If he did something wrong, then he would be caught by the police. But instead of that, he wanted to go himself in the prison. This is what Sophie wanted most in the world. What he wanted most in the world? To arrest himself and go for the 3 months in the winter season to save himself from the cold in the prison. For years, Blackwell's Island had been his winter home. Richer New Yorks made their plans to go to the Florida or to the shore of the Mediterranean Sea each winter. Sophie made his small plans for going to the island. See, during those days, many of the people are arranging the different trips and plans to go to the shore of the sea, that is Mediterranean, or some of them likes to go in the to the island, so they can enjoy in those places their holidays. But Sophie was planned something different, and now the time had come. 3 big newspapers, some under his coat and the some cover his legs, had not kept him warm during the night in the park. Means nowadays the Sophie is living in the park. See, by this sentence we understood that the Sophie is not having home. So where he is living nowadays? Yes, in the park. During night also he was staying in the park only and sleeping by just taking the newspaper like a blanket. But in summer season, in rainy season, it would be helpful to him, as in rainy season he was going to any shade of the shop. In front of shop some small shades are there, he was staying there. Or in summer season he was staying in the open space where he was using only the newspaper to cover his body like a blanket. But now it is not possible that his body will not keep warm by those newspapers. So he was thinking to get a rest himself by, from the cope, and he will be saved or live a good life in the prison. See, the picture of Sophie is given here. He is sitting in the park and thinking over about his plan. So Sophie was thinking of the island. There was place in the city where he could go and ask for food and a bed. He was thinking to go at island where he can ask for the food and bed. He will go and he will ask to get the food and the shelter. There would be given to him. He could move from the one building to another, and he would be taken care of through the winter. But he liked Blackwell's Island better. Previous winters, what he did, he was just going to the different buildings and they were just beg to the people that I am not having the house or home to stay, or I am not having money. He was just making different stories and make people emotional, and he make them understood that he is a needy person and they should help him. And that time the people were helping him. So afterwards what happened? He was doing the same thing again and again. He was just going there and just taking the shade, eating the food. And as we know that if someone is staying at our home for long time, it is not possible that person will be give you food or shelter without any gain or without any money, free of cost. So the people were keeping him stay, or they allow him to stay in the building for 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, might be some time for the 1 week or 2 weeks, not more than that. Afterwards they were asking him to make his own arrangement at different place. So that time he was changing the next building or the area of the particular city, and by doing this all things from the last many years, he was covered most of the buildings, and people knowing about him that he is a person who is staying without money, and he was just want to stay very happily without giving a single money to anyone else. So the people were not allowing him. But then too, he also don't like to live in such type of buildings. Instead of that, he loves to live in the prison. Why? Because the prison was providing him the security, the most important thing, and he will be free from the cold, means he will be getting at least a blanket, and he will be having a small house like shelter. Though it is prison, he is feeling like a good house as compared to the other buildings, and the people are giving him shade. He feel that the prison is better. So that in this winter also he decided to stay for the 3 months of winter in the prison. So to make himself a rest and to stay in that prison, what he did, he decided some different plans. So what is the first plan of Sophie that we are going to see on the page number 22. Sophie's spirit was proud. He felt very proud that he got an idea how to enter in the prison. If he went to any of these places, there were certain things he had to do. In one way or another, he would have to pay for what they gave him. They would not ask him for money, but they would make him wash his whole body. They would make him answer questions. They would want to know everything about his life. See, if Sophie will go to that old buildings or the previous places where he stayed for the previous winters, that time those people will not ask for the money, but they will ask about his life story, what happened, why again he wanted to take shelter in others' home or at others' place, why he is not having his own house. Those type of questions will be asked by the people. Which type of work you are doing, where you are doing the job, why you leave your job. Yes, you are a young person, so why don't you do some work and earn money yourself? Or might be some people will give him some another work, household work or some garden work, and then they will give him food and shelter. So that he decided that I will not go at those places previously where I had visited or I took the shelter. So the best one thing where no one will ask me the much more questions, I will not do any work, I will not spend any money, and very happily with calmly I will stay there and I can live for 3 months. That is nothing but a prison. No, prison was better than that. So he think that no, everything that asking of questions, to give the answers, tell the stories, then again to do some work. Instead of that, the nice one thing is the prison. The prison had rules that he would have to follow, but in prison a gentleman's own life was still his own life. See, if we think about the people who are in the prison, they are also having the respect, means they are not treated very badly, means they have to work there, or they are having the simple life in the prison also. So Sophie think that the gentleman's life in the prison is also good, so that I can stay there very well. Sophie, having decided to go to the island, at once began to move towards his desires. So he decided to go to the island, as his dream was to stay in the island for some days at least, like a trip. But instead of just roaming or watching the beauty of his land, he is going to stay in the prison. Yes. The second half of the story we are going to see. The Sophie does his best to be on the wrong side of the law. He tries 3 tricks, all in vain. The fear that no cope will ever catch him make him sick at heart. See, first one, the Sophie does his best to be on the wrong side of the law, means to get arrested by the cope himself. What he did? Yes, he started to, or he decided 3 different plans or the tricks. Means first one, he will try, if suppose he will not caught by the police, then he will use the second trick, or then third one. Means as you seen in the different serials, reality shows, where they are having the different plans. So sometimes what happen, the plan A is not successful, then plan B is ready or plan C is ready. Yes, suppose this will not happen, then I will do that. I will do that like this. Same way Sophie made 3 different tricks or the plans that so automatically at least by one of his trick he will be arrested by the cop. He was not having any fear about the cop and all those things, but what happened, there were many easy ways of doing this. See, in the metropolitan cities or the cities where the law is very much strict, at such places if you do the single one mistake against the law or you will just break the law, you will be suddenly or as soon as you do the mistake within few minutes or the few hours you will be caught by the cop. And the Island's law was also too strict. The police was or the cop was just catching the people very fastly who are breaking the laws. So he decided that it is too easy to arrest by the cop in such cities. So he decided to just try his own trick in the same city. The most pleasant way was to go and have a good dinner at some fine restaurant. Then he would say that he had no money to pay, and then a cop would be called. It would have be done very quietly. The cop would arrest him. He would be taken to a judge. Then the judge would do the rest. See what he decided. The first plan of Soapy, the first trick of Soapy to get arrested by the cop is that he will go to a very big, famous, high quality restaurant, very fine restaurant, where is the system is very nice and it is too costly. The food is having in that same restaurant is very costly, and suppose he will go there and he will took the dinner and afterwards he will not pay, automatically the people or the manager of that particular restaurant will call the police, cop, and he will be arrested. Means what Sophie think? Yes, he will go to the restaurant which is very fine, very high quality, and he will just take his dinner, and after finishing his dinner he will say to them that I am not having money to pay for you for the food. To pay for the food I am not having a single rupees. Then that time automatically the people or the staff of that restaurant will call the cop, and cop will arrest him, and after arresting him they will take him to the judge in the court, and rest all things will be completed in the court, and then he will be just kept in the prison. This is his idea or his thinking about his next few days that he can live in the prison. This idea he decided in his mind and he started to walk. Sophie left his seat and walked slowly out of Madison Square to the place where the great street called Broadway and the Fifth Avenue meet. He went across this wide space and started north on the Broadway. He dropped as a large and brightly lighted restaurant. This was where the best food and the best people in the best clothes appeared every evening. See, he is decided to go to the famous and the very well restaurant, and then he started to walk from the park to the particular restaurant. Means he started to search out such type of restaurant to go and take his dinner, and he was walking, he got one restaurant which is brightly lighted and where the very high profile peoples, means the people who are in the good clothes, in the good manners, or the big people who are having much more money, the wealthy people are just coming in such type of restaurant. No any poor people or the people who are not affordable, they are not coming such type of restaurant. So he decided to approach or go in this restaurant and he will eat or he will take his dinner and afterwards he will refuse to give money, automatically he will be caught by the cop, as the restaurant people or the staff will call the cop. As we know that if we will go to the roadside hawkers food, that time it is not too costly. Yes, the samosa or the vada pav or whatever food items they are having, it might be only of 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 30 rupees. But instead of that, if we will go at the, any famous restaurant or places, then it automatically the same type of food item might be it is having the different taste or it is delicious than the hawaker food, but it is having too much amount for that food. For example, for the samosa at the hawaker side, that vendor is just selling it for the 15 rupees. The same samosa in the big restaurant you will get of 70 rupees, of 75 rupees. So, automatically difference you understood. Same way the Sophie decided to go at such type of very expensive restaurant. So, he will refuse for the money, then automatically he will caught by the police. See what will happen next. Sophie believed that above his legs he looked all right. He feel that everything is all right. Now I will go there and I will just use my this trick and I will success. His face was clean, his coat was good enough. If he could get a table, he believed that success would be his. Then he decided to go enter that restaurant. Before that, he just looked to his shoes, means to the legs, that as his shoes are good in good condition or not, and it was good. Then he was think about his own face, it was also clean. Then he feel that his coat also enough good to enter in a such type of restaurant. Why he was thinking about all those things? Yes, because the restaurant is the expensive restaurant and very big restaurants. It is famous for the high profile peoples who are coming in the very nice clothes, and they are approaching there with a very beautiful clothings. So, he feel that yes, if I will go there, it might be I will get a table, means if I will get entry in the restaurant and I got the table, it means the half success is mine, means afterwards I can order something there. Because in such type of restaurants, mostly the beggars and such poor peoples might be not allowed to enter also. See page number 23. Part of him that would be seen above, the table would look all right. The waiter would bring him that he asked for. See, as soon as he enter to the restaurant, he feel that I am good to enter in the restaurant. He entered and he got a table and he feel that yes, the half war is completed, means his trick was working. He was feeling happy from inside that yes, my trick is working, and the waiter came to him and he just asked for the order. See, the Sophie was decided to go to the prison. Why? Because he wanted to stay in the winter season at such place where he would be stay for any of cost, means he will not pay a single rupees to stay that particular place, and it would be safe for him, as he will get security, as he will get good food to eat, and he will get shelter to stay or sleep in the night. As compared to the park or as compared to the other buildings, he feels to live in the prison is good thing for him. So, for going to the prison, to go in the prison, what he did? Yes, he decided 3 different tricks, and one of them is to just go to the very famous high profile people's restaurant, which is very expensive. He will go there, he will just had a dinner, and after dinner he will say to the manager or waiter that I not have a single rupee to pay here. He will refuse to give the money, and suppose if anyone is refused to give the money against your facility or service, so what you will do? Yes, automatically you will start to argue with that person that why you are not giving the money. Yes, suppose you are selling something else. Suppose you sell one vegetable to someone else and that person took the vegetable and not giving the money. So you will say let it be? No. What you will say? Just give my things back or else you have to pay me. But now it will not happen that he can give the food again back. Yes, as he had ate the food or ate the dinner, so he have to pay automatically. There is no another option instead of paying the money to the people of that restaurant. So he decided that as I will refuse to give the money, they will get angry, they will argue with me, and if I am not allowing or I am not just listening to them, they will tell me to do some work in the restaurant. I will refuse to do that also. Yes, then Sophie will refuse to do that work too. Then people will become, that manager or that staff member of that restaurant will get angry and automatically they will call the cook. And as soon as the cook will be called, they will come to the restaurant, they will just think about whole story and they will caught him. But what happened to the story next? Is the Sophie is caught by the police cope or not? That we are going to see in the next episode. Till then you have to read this story from Supplementary Readers in English, lesson number 4, The Cope and Anthem. Thank you.